Is your iPhone screen looking a little off? Don't worry, we're going to fix that and get your colors back to normal in just a few easy steps. First, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the one with the gear icon. Now, scroll down until you see Accessibility and tap on it. This is where we'll find all the settings that might be affecting your screen's colors. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. Look for the Color Filters option. This is a common culprit for unexpected color changes. Tap on it. If Color Filters is toggled on, simply tap the switch to turn it off. This will immediately revert your screen to its default colors, unless another setting is interfering. If your colors are still looking washed out, let's go back to the Display and Text Size menu. Now check if Reduce White Point is enabled. If it is, tap the switch to turn it off. Another setting that could be affecting your colors is found back in the Accessibility menu. Scroll down to find Invert Colors. You may need to turn off Classic Invert or Smart Invert. Depending on which one is on, just tap on the setting. If either option is toggled on, simply tap the switch to turn it off, and there you have it. Your iPhone screen should now be back to its normal, vibrant colors. If you are still experiencing issues, you can try restarting your iPhone. Thanks for watching.